just freeballed all these cuts. I just drew a line across here where this body line, you know, the little tab came down. The body line came through here like that. I just drew with a marker, trimmed that, set it on there, looked like it fit, lined it up with the next one. And look at that, it's close, but that is perfect. Looks like they're all gonna sit down. Just gotta make some little tabs to reconnect this. And the same thing on the other side. Couple in the back, and then body's on.
Subscribe to Icy Night.